Alright, so we further optimized the code. So we noticed that the inside the on button clicked, we couldn't reuse it or recall it. That is by calling it from start, since we didn't had the clicked button go game object to pass, and that might have been used to get the number here instead. So to skip that, what we did was created a function name UpdateLevelSelectionPanel and passed a number there. So this will simply get a number, this on button clicked now, and will make use of this new function and all this previous script of on button clicked, which was like this. On button clicked was like this. So simply inside of the try parse, we got all the things there, and from there we pasted, we created and put it in the new function of this hours. And once this is in place, next thing we did was inside start, when uh, these level data buttons were populated at the runtime, we simply got the current levels cleared value of player preferences, that is which level was cleared, and then we simply call this update level selection panel and pass the number in it. And to show you again, now right now there is no value, and when there is no value given, it will by default take the value as 0. So what this means is that for this value, now it will simply uh, it will simply show the default. So this first one would be locked. This is the default value and default setting of the game. But for the next, it will be unlocked. So it will be locked as this is how the game progresses. And once I add a key here to be to 1, so first level is cleared. This means this, and now it will directly show the level 2. So now directly show the level 2, and that was populated at runtime. So our level selection screen is done, and now we can also change it back to 1 and to level changes here. And next thing is that on let's play game should start, but right now game starts. If we can turn this off, and now if we can play it and go back to our taps to start button, uh, so this is our tap to start, I guess. And inside level manager dot show in game canvas, we will rather show the level selection screen. Sorry, I accidentally opened this instead of level manager class. So let's open the level manager class. This is our level manager, and here we will add another game object name. Simply put it here, our public game object. Level selection panel. So here we will give the reference here rather. So if we can get the button that was So this is our sorry, if we go back to our level static immovable and give this level selection panel here. So this is the canvas, this is the level selection canvas, and if we go back here and give it here again, level selection canvas selection panel, and we can rename this to canvas here. And for the button that was playing show in-game canvas, so this is our tab to start, goes on to show in-game canvas, and instead of this we will simply call public void show level selection, and this will turn the level to true, and then show in-game canvas will also turn this as off, but for now we'll simply give the reference here, level manager show level selection canvas, and turn this off, or let's save it so we know what is going on. Copy it like this, save it here, and now we can remove it. And now when the tab to start is pressed, when tab to start is pressed, it throws up error, and if you see it says it's not assigned, but we assigned it a moment ago. So level selection, yeah, so we changed the variable and it changed the serialized field as well. So now when we save it, so this is our level selection screen that shows up, and from here if we can press go on to let's play, and it will simply copy the values. So where is our this is our in-game, sorry, not this one, this one, and this let's play button. I don't know who put this here, but these are something. Yeah, so this is not something that we are looking for yet, so we'll remove them and simply put the value of previous button, or we can copy it, or we can't copy it because we didn't copy it, we didn't save the component. So here we can simply show in-game canvas, and now if we oops, and now if I save it and play it, if sequence is fine, our level selection screen should be done with. And This is how it is. And now if I press play, it went into the game. And next thing is to turn this off. So simply we will inside show game canvas, we will turn it off. Press something like this, and now the game will start. And again, as you can see, this crocodile, this lower one is still visible because our main camera culls everything except this. So if we uncheck this, and now if you play, so if we select the one, and now if we play, now as you can see that random character don't show up, and our game seems to be done for the most parts. Now what's left is getting this finish here that will unlock the levels, and the briefing should have some text written on it as well. So now we will save it and we will continue from next tutorial.